오늘 세상이 멈췄어 아무런 예고도 하나 없이 꿈은 기다림을 몰라서 눈치 없이 와버렸어 자국이 지워진 거리 여기 넘어져 있는 나 혼자 가는 시간이 미안해 말도 없이 yeah.
오늘도 비가 내릴 것 같아
One graduate, one guardian or parents allowed.
Love, nangyari sa hair
One is
mo.
one number.
Andiyan na si sa'yo.
Today, we gather to celebrate the remarkable achievements of the class of 2024.
Allow me to read the graduation message of our Honorable Mayor, Art Joseph Francis Mercado. On behalf of city government and of our people, I wholeheartedly convey to the students of Upper Villages Christian Academy Incorporated our congratulations for.
To our honorable guest speaker, may I call Mr. Robin Angelo.
Of Upper Villages Christian Academy Incorporated for the school year 2023-2024. Our school directors to certify the eligibility for
and Mr. Aldo Macero.
Thank you everyone for joining us tonight. Have a safe journey home and wonderful evening.
Wala pong to. Cheers. Yo, cheers to you. This is early stage. Lakad, buka mo Sunday.
Nagbibideo pala.
Special guest. Hi. Tapos na kain. Uwian na. Going home.
Dito tayo sa kabila.
Feeling when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change, baby. It will never change, baby. It will never change, me and you.
have a party at home. Let's go. For movie. Pas manghang. Di na natuloy ang trend. Yun na nga. Last punta na po namin to ng Abca. Bye-bye! See you on the next journey. Ayoko nang makita ang Abca. Bye-bye na! Bye-bye! So, mag-inasal tayo. Bye-bye! Bye guys! See you soon ulit. See you soon ulit!